Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to hard factory reset in JBL Charge 3 Bluetooth speaker. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering how do you actually factory reset your JBL Charge 3 Bluetooth speaker here. Well, in this case, resetting it to factory reset is pretty easy. So the great thing about JBL here is they have good support, which in this case we found this specific article here. Now this is directly from JBL. Now in order for you to reset your speaker here, what you need to do is you first need to turn this on. Now once you've turned it on, what we need to do is we need to look for the volume plus and play buttons. Now in this case you need to press this at the same time while the speaker is turned on. Now, when the device actually switches off after a few seconds and the sound or off prompt, you hear it, it means that it has been successfully reset. Now, this is just a JBL, this is just an example. So what you need to look for is going to be the plus button here, as you can see on my screen, and the play button. Now, you want to go ahead and press and hold these two buttons here. And once you've done that, what we need to do is you just need to wait for a few minutes or a few seconds. And once it actually turns off, or once you hear the sound, the off sound from the speaker itself, it means that it has been successfully reset. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.